Hi, good day. So before we proceed to graphing linear equations in two variables, let's try to review first graphing of linear equations in one variable. What do we mean again by equations in one variable? Well, it means that it follows these two formats. Y equals C, where C is a constant, where X equals C, where C is a constant. It follows that form. For example, y equals 0 is a constant, either y is equal to 4, it could be positive, or y is equal to -6, it could be negative. Okay, it could also be decimal, it could be fraction, right? Or another is x is equal to c, where c is a constant. Again, x equals 5 or x is equal to -7. It could be any number, right? Could be decimal, x equals -0.2, could be fraction, x is equal to 1/2. So it depends on the question. So how are we going to graph? Let's draw the graph of y is equal to 4. Of course, I will teach you first how to draw this one manually, because in your examinations, you actually need to draw manually. And then after drawing manually, I'm going to show you how are we going to use GeoGebra. So in y is equal to 4, the first thing that you need to do is you take your graphing paper and you draw the x-axis, right? And then after that, you draw that horizontal line, and then you label it with the x-axis, the one there, okay? And then you draw the vertical line. And after drawing the vertical line, you write the label. Y is equal to 6. Y is equal to x-axis. Now, and then after that, that's the time that you're going to draw your function. So let's say y is equal to 4. And y is equal to 4, what you're going to do is, since you are on the y, then you need to count on the y-axis. So from here, okay, that's the origin here. Then that's the point there is the origin. Then y is equal to 4. So you count one by one going up, because going up is the positive one. So 1, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4. Okay, then after drawing that, then you draw a horizontal line. So this green one is the graph of y is equal to, so the green one is the graph of y is equal to 4. Okay? So as you can see from here, when we draw the graph of the other one, so, oh, by the way, this is the graph using the GeoGebra. All right, and then this time I'm going to show you how to draw the graph of y is equal to -6. So just type GeoGebra Classic in Google.com. So the red one is the graph of y is equal to -6. So from here, if the question follows the form y is equal to something, the graph is always a horizontal line. Okay, and if it is positive constant, y is equal to 4, it means it goes 4 units up. So from here, from the x-axis, you go 4 units up. Okay, and then if, for example, you want the red one is actually going down. If y is equal to negative, then it's below the x-axis. Okay, so that's how it works. So in this case, y is equal to -6. So from here, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way until you go to -6. Okay, it's actually opposite direction now. Okay, so that is how to draw the graph. You just need to remember, if it follows y is equal to something, then it is a horizontal line. If y is equal to 10, then it's y going up 10 units up. If y is equal to -2, then it's 2 units down. Okay, and it's just a horizontal line, don't forget. For the form x is equal to something, okay, if x is equal to something, then it is a vertical line. Okay, so for example, the one in blue, this in blue here is the graph of x is equal to 5. While this red here is the graph of x is equal to -7. So as you can see, if x is equal to 5, it goes actually, okay, it goes actually 5 units, okay, to the right and vertical. If it goes, for example, the red one is x is equal to -7, then it goes 7 units to the left, and that's the vertical. Okay, so that's how it works. So you need to master this one because this normally it appears like a multiple choice in in examinations. That's all for this video. Have a good day and goodbye.